Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to send dice in Monopoly Go. Okay, first things first, launch the Monopoly Go game on your device. In the top right corner of Monopoly game board, you'll then see a chest icon. Click on this chest, and inside the community chest, look for Add Friends option. Once done, click on Add Friends. You'll be then provided with options to invite your friends to the game. You can invite them via a link or through Facebook or any other via messengers. After this, just send invitation to your friends, and if 5 of your friends accept your invitation, they will receive 10 dice in their Monopoly Go accounts. And as simple as it is, you can give your friends free dice on Monopoly Go. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now send die in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.